the professional trader versus the amateur trader. Stay tuned, we'll talk about the difference next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to talk about the mindset of a professional trader versus an amateur trader. Again, a couple of questions on the email over the weekend regarding the approach and mindset training and different things. And as I said, I'm going to hopefully try to start getting a lot more content and just get more specific. But the mindset of a professional trader. The biggest difference between a professional trader and an amateur trader is that a professional, it's his main or her main focus when they approach the market is all about risk management. An amateur trader approaches the market with the idea of returns and profits and winning and being right. I think professional traders are absolutely fully immersed into the market. They're immersed into the process of trading. They focus on the fine details of the process of trading, whereas amateurs will come to the market unprepared, with unrealistic expectations, and emotionally disoriented. Trading is can be a very difficult and hard challenge, but when you really hone in on the only things that you can control are the process itself, and the process involves the 3 M's, which we talk about all the time: money management, your methodology, and your mindset. And if you're emotionally oriented and you're approaching the market, or you're preparing every day, and your risk management is paramount in your approach to the markets, then now you've got an opportunity to manage your capital and carve out a reasonable expectation. Now, obviously, some people are going to be able to be more aggressive in their approach and have maybe a greater positive expectancy with their trading system, or their methodology, or their understanding of the market and the price movement. But ultimately, you still need to be honing that process on a daily basis and refining your methodology, but also just honing in on the whole idea of risk management, preservation of capital, having a reasonable expectation of a return, but looking for asymmetrical reward to risk opportunities. I've said this over and over again, and I'm going to be going over the bad habits that led to a lot of my mistakes, and those are daily. Like every day, I still need to review my trading plan and remind myself, you're always only one trade away from blowing up your account. It doesn't matter how well you've done. Every day's a new day, and you're still going to be faced with hope, greed, and fear. You're going to be faced with making decisions that you could, on the spur of the moment, unless you show up emotionally oriented and prepared for your trading day, you can still engage in the same bad behaviors and bad habits that ultimately can lead to account destruction, or even your whole, ending your trading career itself. So trading mastery is a lifelong journey. It's not a destination. It is a lifestyle that when you really, I think, master your craft, the craft being the process, and again, the 3 M's, risk management. There's an idea out there that the longer you're trading, you find out these secrets that the market holds, and that you're going to ultimately figure out exactly the price is going to do next, and that's just not the case. The market is a constantly dynamic and evolving entity, and no one person or one institution or guru or anybody else is ever going to really ultimately know what that market's going to do next. It's always going to be the unknown, which is why risk management is the most important thing, and that's what separates the professionals from the amateurs. And long term for me was that, unless I broke that cycle of bad habits, and it was all in my approach in terms of my mindset and my understanding of what trading was about. I thought I had to figure out the Holy Grail. Obviously, you need an edge, but that can be cultivated and refined. There's so much great material out there on trading from Peter Brandt, Dalton, Market Profile, Brent Penfold, Schaubacher, Edwards and McGee. Simple stuff, but ultimately everything boils back down to managing your capital appropriately on every position and looking for the asymmetrical reward to risk opportunity. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. I'm excited to hopefully be bringing forth some stuff for the end of day trading. As I said, my commitment is to making this year all end of day trading and sharing that with you. So have a great trading week. Stay focused, stay disciplined, focus on the 3 M's, be emotionally oriented, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined and may the markets go with you.